Hey, welcome back to the channel, folks. I bought a new camera, the Insta360 Ace Pro 2. And one of the reasons I bought it is it's got a bigger sensor, and that allows you to capture some amazing night footage. And so in this video, I'm just up on a ride. It's about 6:30 p.m. at this point, but then as the video progresses, you'll see that it becomes darker and darker, but the quality of the footage is pretty amazing. So let's take a look at that.
Sunset now. Sky is dark and looking kinda storm clouds on the horizon. I can see it, like I can. But I'll soon be taking the next exit and then heading back home. If there's something interesting, I'll turn it back on. Capture that footage. Yeah, let me know it. Alright, turn it back on. Let you like a glimpse of Bonnie Bray Street. It's a new building that's just come up the last year or so. It's very nice. I'm glad they did that. Yeah, the Buriram race, the MotoGP race in Thailand, Buriram is going on. Kind of obviously the time difference is such that it's going to be difficult to see it live, but I'm tempted to stay awake for a while. Because it's taking toll. I have to call the Italian restaurant. Place the order. Alright, this is pitch dark. There's just no way you guys can see anything, but I've got the camera on.